beat me to the lights. Ah! Haha! Fasted cardio done right now. I shouldn't even be driving and doing this. But yeah, so off back home now. The kids will be waking up. Meal one. Let's do it. Meal one. I'm so hungry, guys. When you do fasted cardio, it's just crazy. But anyway, let's do it.
£10 notes are being replaced with plastic ones, and the British man says he was.
What is going on down there? Oh man, that's all I need. I need to get meal one in. Hello. Hello. Morning.
I teased out you. Can you get them a picture?
It's a video.
Oh.
YouTube. Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
What happened yesterday, Preston? Do you want to tell everyone?
I did sit and I went like.
Oh yeah, on Dylan, right?
Then I got a bowl from that bowl.
Imagine being thrown up on top of.
Then I put it on.
Put them inside there.
Wait a minute, we taking half of Dylan's? Wait a minute now. Dylan's only got 1.5. Dylan needs 2. Dylan needs more than 2.
You take one. Alright guys, so this is meal one right now. Egg whites as you saw and Scitec Whey Isolate. It's about 45 to 50 grams of protein. And in here we've got the carbs. 50 grams in weight of oats, which is about 30 grams carbs. So yeah, that's what I'm on right now. And again, like you'll see throughout the day, my protein is various. As long as I have about 30 to 40 gram protein each meal, I'm good to go. I like to increase my protein in and around my workouts. But yeah, anyway, let's go.
I'm ready to.
Right guys, I'm just going to drop Preston to school and then I'm going to finish making my meals for the rest of the day. Let's go. School time!
Okay.
Can't I have more? Yeah, put it back in the cupboard. Fill it back in. That's it. Did you buy yourself flowers?
You never do.
So guys, as that's cooking, this is where I take my vitamin D3, my zinc, my omega-3 and my CLA. So I take these 4 things here in the morning. The omega-3, I actually like the taste of it, so what I do, instead of swallowing the tablet, I actually bite it. And I'll suck all the oil out. And you get left with that. Guys, I also take Thermal X. I actually forgot to take this morning, but I normally take 2 with my meal one. So I'm gonna have that now instead. Oh no. You're gonna put it back, Dylan?
Dylan? Dylan, have a good one. Dylan, you got it out?
Want some chicken? You're looking at my chicken? Hey? Alright, so guys, I'm gonna literally, chicken's nearly done. I'm gonna serve it out for 2 meals. So that is only for 2 meals, alright? So that's for meal 2 and meal 3. As you'll see. So you can see guys, this is meal 2. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick some veg in. I'd like to stick veg in my non-carb meals. Okay, so there's no carbs in this one. This one, sometimes I'll put this on, I'll put veg in. I've got a nice bit, well not nice, big bit, but on this occasion I'll put a couple bits in of broccoli. So yeah, so that's meal 2 and meal 3. Oh yeah, thanks Dylan for coffee. Look at that. You too. Bye. So guys, this is my little bag I like to take with me around Tesco. I'm not getting paid by Tesco, by the way, just by letting you know. Anyway, my meals are in there, a few supplementation. I've also got 2 scoops of Whey Isolate from Scitec. What's that? Oh. Anyway, so those are my 2 scoops. That's for my post immediately after I train later on. That's after my weight session. Anyway guys, in a bit. Sometimes when you cook your chicken a day or 2 before, and then you heat it up, or sometimes not even heat it up, you eat it cold, it is so dry. So yeah. The benefit of cooking on the same day and eating it, it's slightly warm now, so nice and soft and tasty. Right guys, I'm just in the car right now. Got my next meal to eat. I've been running around guys. Well, I had a bit of work to do in the house. Well, actually work. And then I'm now on my way to the gym. So my protein shake for after workout. I've got my meal 3. I've just filled up some more water. It's 2 litre. 2 litres. Anyway, off to the gym. No fork, just pure hands. Guys, workout done. This is my post-workout shake, which is basically meal 4, 2 scoops, and we're away. So I'm gonna hit this, and then I'm gonna do some cardio. Let's go. Okay, in the car now. Woo, good session. I've got 3 more meals, guys, left. So I'm gonna drop Champ home, and then I'm gonna drop myself home, and I'm gonna cook meal 5. See you soon. So guys, potatoes in. Oops. I've already set that. So guys, meal 5 consists of another chicken breast. There you go. I like to cut these into pieces and then fry them basically with some coconut oil. Let's do it. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, is that your chicken? Can you put it on the plate for me? Can I have it? Ta? Oh, what? Oh, my chicken! Come here! Come here! Where are you going? Come here! Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you running away from me? Can I have my chicken? I want my chicken! Oh no! Ah. Oh. Oh no, I'm coming to get you. Alright, so what we're doing is done now. Yep. There you go, guys. Got my chicken. So 200. Sorry, 100. Got my 150 grams of chicken. Got my 200 grams of potato, and I've just got a handful of leaves, baby leaves. There you go. Oh yeah, also got 20 grams of coconut oil on the jack potato. Got to get those fats in as well. Okay guys, so meal 6 is a steak and some salad. We're going low carb as it's the end of the day, and this is the crucial part where because when you actually do fasted cardio in the morning, you haven't had carbs. I don't have carbs since 5 p.m, 5:30 p.m. So the carbs will be real low. The glycogen in the system will be real low, and hopefully when I do my fasted cardio, I will be tapping into those fat stores. Anyway guys, so just steak and salad. It's a little bit burnt guys. Anyway, I'm sure that's still gonna taste pretty nice. So there you go guys. We have some leaves, spinach, rocket, a nice juicy bit of sirloin steak, and some red pepper sauce. Let's do it.
Together well, making a run for Walker. Obvious foul there by Fernandinho, but
Alright guys, I've literally just downed the drink, and I forgot to actually film it, so I thought I'd just let you know what I've just had. I've had 200 grams of egg whites, and then I had 1 scoop of the Scitec Whey, so that's total 50 grams protein, and yeah, hardly any carbs really, like 0.5 from this, nothing, hardly anything. But yeah, so guys, that is my meal 7 just before bed, and I also take a nighttime pack as well, which has got like your zinc, magnesium, glutamine and BCAAs, just to help for recovery as well. But yeah, here you go. So there you go guys, that's my 7 meals of today. I'm actually 2.5 weeks out from stepping on stage, so it's time to reel it in. All the meals you saw today, pretty clean, good in protein, high in protein, and I've only had few carbs than normal, so it's not easy guys, especially when you're doing cardio and you're doing weights. So guys, below in the description you'll find every meal, a little bit more information and a bit more detail in macros and timings of when I had it. Also guys, any of the supplements from Scitec that you like and you might want to try, I've got a discount code where you get 10% off. That is also in the description. That is only for UK only shoppers, by the way. But yeah, it's down below in the description. Hope you guys you've enjoyed the whole day. I'm pretty tired now, like you can see, look at the time now. So it's like 20 to 12. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed watching the whole day. It's time for me to go to bed. So if you like this video, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you on the next video. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye. Actually guys, I fly out to LA on 28th of this month, so 28th of November. So I'll be filming whilst out there as well. The competition's in LA. You know what else in LA? Muscle Beach and Gold's Gym. I've been to Muscle Beach, but when I went to LA last time, I didn't go to Gold's Gym. Can you believe it? But yeah, so guys, I'll be filming out there. Can't wait. Let's do it, guys. See you soon.